Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a different kind. We're looking at a great item. It's an $8 item that you can find at the 99-cent store. There it is. LED wireless Bluetooth touch lamp speaker. I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to test it out and see what you think. And it's happening right now. Jingle bell. When you get this, it shows up like this in a box with all kinds of important information on the back. Okay, micro SD card, 3.5 audio input, DC 5 volt, carry handle. It's got a mic, next track, play pause. All kinds of goodies on here that you're really going to enjoy. Yeah, it's very nice. Alright, here's a little diagram showing you where all the little ports are, the power cord, where everything goes. So let's take it out and see how it sounds. Okay, this thing comes with a wireless connection. It has a 3-watt RMS speaker, auxiliary in SD card that you can add to it. Comes in 6 different colors and 3 different dimmer stages. There's the different colors. Let's open up the box and see what we got. Holy crap, it's got childproof tape on it. We're not going to be friendly. This could get vicious, boys and girls. Alright. There it is. In the box, your user manual. That's very important. Different plugs. Looks like USB to micro plug. Here you go for the sound into the phone. Okay. I'm going to take it out of plastic. Nice. Got a little metal hook right here. You want to hang it upside down like this. Maybe in the shower area. Your micro SD card goes here. Auxiliary plug here. Your DC goes in here. And then your on-off.
Okay, let's just move on.
You turn it on. This particular one is white. Okay, when you go to connect this to the Bluetooth, you want to look here where it says JBL07. So let's connect that. Ooh, looky there. We're connected. Now let's see if we can find something that makes noise. Okay. Just to test this out, I'm going to play a little bit of my video to hear the sound quality. Very nice.
I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Oh, I'm about to whip somebody's ass.
Hey, welcome back everybody. Sound quality is amazing out of this thing. I gotta say, I'm very impressed. For a whole $1? Really? You gotta go look for this. Check your local dollar stores. This is incredible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, for more great budget gaming tech, click right up here. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you like the content, smash right there for me and subscribe so you don't miss any great videos coming. I'll meet you there.